Why stay in a hotel when you can bring your home with you when you travel? We'll show you some incredible mobile homes that will completely blow your mind. These inventions are not your average camping trailers. They are high-tech trailer homes with all the amenities of a regular home. So, if you're considering downsizing or simply want to see some really cool mobile homes, stay tuned because this is one video you won't want to miss. This motorhome may not offer the same level of comfort as an expensive hotel, but it can take travelers to places that other campers can't reach. This American model is unique, as it is capable of traversing both land and water, with speeds reaching up to 8 miles per hour. The interior is custom designed for each client, with the dashboard resembling that of an airplane's, equipped with many controls and access to an advanced onboard computer. The approximate cost is $1.2 million. Experts from Poland also have plenty of knowledge about mobile homes, as you can tell from this charming mini cottage. This can help you get closer to nature, discover new places, and relax on your couch while watching your favorite TV show. This 614 square foot house features 2 bedrooms, a living room with a kitchenette, a bathroom, lounge area, and terrace. Polyurethane insulation paired with underfloor heating provides comfort, while the huge windows give great views of the outdoors. The model is roughly 8.2 feet tall and weighs 35,200 pounds. Modern craftsmanship at its finest. And apparently there is demand, as around 2,000 of these houses have already been sold in 16 different countries in Europe. So expect to wait up to 4 months after ordering your own mobile home. Additionally, the German experts offer an expedition motorhome that was initially made 10 years ago, but is still in pristine condition and ready for any challenge you might face on the road. It's built on an MAN TGS 6x6 truck and has a 480 horsepower engine with 12-speed gearbox, satellite navigation, plus powerful xenon headlights. The vehicle's fuel capacity is 211 gallons. On the roof, you can find solar panels, a folding mast, and other equipment. Inside this motorhome, you'll find all the amenities needed for an enjoyable stay. Complete bathroom and kitchen with stove, fridge, etc. Lounge, dining area with a large screen TV, sofa, and table, plus lots of beds, making it feel more like an apartment than a motorhome. This is a neat mobile home that was created as part of an innovative project. A traveling hotel that relocates to a different place each month. The trailer explores Europe, providing compact and cost-friendly living quarters in the most beautiful locations. The motorhome is capable of off-road navigation, which allows it to be parked almost anywhere. The bottom floor includes a communal living space, while its folding design enhances its spaciousness. Upstairs, guests can find a balcony and bedrooms, one of which contains a wide double bed and 4 bunk beds. From February to March this year, the mobile hotel will be in Morocco, and then it'll move on to Portugal. You can book a room at the moment for just $700. Next on our list is the world's first mobile home with a helipad, plus an extra bonus, a recreation area with a hot tub on the roof. The interior is minimalistic and modern, featuring a huge 75-inch TV. And to top it off, there are several large screens built into the body of the trailer. Unsurprisingly, this impressive model comes with an estimated price tag of $2.5 million. Remoto camper may not be the most cost-effective or practical way to take a journey around the countryside. But have you seen it in its folded state? It's a car trailer with an oddly shaped carbon fiber composite body, weighing around 7,700 pounds. This allows for the cabin to be extracted from the main unit and creates an L-shaped camper with an elevated outdoor terrace. It goes beyond being just a house on wheels. It is a house with a terrace. Inside the living area, you'll find a bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen, which can double as an extra bed. Additionally, it comes equipped with stereo speakers in all parts of the camper, and even has a foldable electric barbecue hooked up to solar panels on the terrace. We had to take note of the mobile home made by Spanish company Rioja. Not only does it have a sliding construction, but 2 separate living floors, with the transformation taking no more than 10 minutes. We were also impressed with a multi-level floor plan, the plenty of recreational spaces, and the luxurious components of all rooms. To top it off, there's even a fully functional bulb tub in the master bathroom. Such a pleasant surprise! Many freelancers who love to travel can struggle to organize their workspace. So why not make a compact and mobile office that you can take on the go with you? We found this awesome project from Belgium on trendhunter.com. Its shape is very unique, resembling an egg. Inside, there are plenty of compartments for keeping your things in order. There's enough space for a bathroom and a kitchen, weighing in at around 215 square feet, so you can work and live in it comfortably. If you're not looking to move, this egg-shaped structure can even function as a guest house or pergola. Here we have a unique camper, designed by Peter Field. His idea was conceived when he wanted to drive a convertible on high-altitude roads, but realized how inconvenient it would be. To solve this, he built a camper based on a trailer that transports cars. In the front, he installed a kitchen with a refrigerator and sink, as well as a toilet. Under the floor is a tank for fresh water and another for wastewater. On the sides are storage compartments and also folding beds. Even with all this, there's still enough space inside for a convertible. Of course, there's also a solar panel on the roof. It seems almost every camper has one these days. The Ford F650 appeared on the market as the largest off-roader in production. It had an impressive 362 horsepower engine and was 25.3 feet long, so custom project fans bought it right away. Today we are discussing motorhomes, and this model from California has gone even bigger. It's now known as the Ford F750. It's approximately 32 feet long and 12 feet high, so 6 people can sleep comfortably while enjoying all of the built-in features such as a shower, bathroom, and kitchen. This giant vehicle can carry up to 8,818 pounds, and there's still enough space on top for 2 ATVs for some extra fun. In the US, the market is overflowing with options. There has been a surge in applications to both buy and rent these vehicles by hundreds of %. People are taking a new approach when it comes to their vacations. One publication made note of it. Therefore, it is essential to provide customers with not only something grand, but also something unique. This is just what this German company did. They took an ordinary, yet not so big motorhome and added a retractable roof, just like in a convertible. They didn't even have to ponder over the name. They called it the Sky Dancer Cabrio. The idea behind it is that instead of being separated in different rooms, 4 people can always be together, chatting and enjoying nature. For nighttime use, the windows are closed with curtains and the seats are converted into one large sleeping area. Test versions were made using the chassis of both a Mercedes Atigo truck and a Fiat Jakarta minibus, which, by the way, is one of the most popular for motorhomes up to 7,716 pounds and accounts for 75% of the market. It's plain to see that German experts have high aspirations. "This is insane," a YouTube user said, and it's true. This Italian motorhome has a whopping 1,076 square feet of floor space, and it looks almost like a luxury apartment building. There's more than enough room for work, leisure, and even business meetings. You could easily have dinner parties and relax after a hard day's work here. Plus, the bathroom can be used as a sleeping area for several people at once, and the terrace is ideal for a barbecue party. Unsurprisingly, this monster house is 44 feet long and nearly 20 feet wide. Plus, it can be set up in about half an hour, not to mention the fact that it's stylishly decorated with comfortable furnishings and useful appliances.